10 vegetables name in English with the help of photos and videos. Dear kids, this is cauliflower. Cauliflower is a white vegetable with flower-like heads. It is used in curries, soups and salads. It is rich in vitamin C, fiber and calcium. Dear kids, this is tomato. Tomato is a red and juicy vegetable. It is used in salads, curries and sauces. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A and fiber, which is very good for our skin and health. Dear kids, this is coriander. Coriander is a green leafy herb. It is used in curries, salads and chutneys. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K and iron. Dear kids, this is onion. Onion is a round vegetable. It is used in salads, curries and many dishes. It contains vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants. Dear kids, this is carrot. Carrot is a long orange vegetable. It is used in salads, juice and many dishes. It contains vitamin A, fiber and potassium. Dear kids, this is potato. Potato is a root vegetable. It is used in curries, chips and many dishes. It contains carbohydrates, potassium and fiber. Dear kids, this is ginger. Ginger is a root vegetable with a strong smell and taste. It is used in tea and curries. It contains vitamin C, antioxidants and minerals. Dear kids, this is capsicum. Capsicum is a colorful vegetable. It is used in salads, curries and sandwiches. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A and fiber. Dear kids, this is cabbage. Cabbage is a green leafy vegetable. It is used in salads, curries and soups. It is rich in vitamin C, fiber and calcium. Dear kids, this is cucumber. Cucumber is a long green vegetable. It is used in salads and sandwiches. It contains water, vitamin K and fiber, which help keep the body cool and healthy. So friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.